the lands of towering peaks and wild winds, a fellowship reignites once again. Hear ye, Ember owners, from the vastness of Western Canada to the borders of the Northwest American lands. The mountains summon you. Masters of the off-grid camping, the time has come for the 3rd annual Western Canada Ember Gathering. Journey to the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo on the Rockies' edge where the wild beauty awaits, a family-friendly gathering with thrilling activities and insightful seminars. But for you, Ember's chosen, the legendary Ember Village where sparks fly from the wood fires and from the camaraderie. Tales shared under the Canadian sky, beers flowing as Ember owners trade their wisdom. Mark your calendars for June 20th to the 22nd. Be there in the Rockies for the 3rd annual Western Canada Ember Gathering at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. Your tribe awaits. There's a link in the description.